Hello kiddos, welcome back to my one more new video. Today we are going to learn about 10 insects name in English. So stay with me in this video till the end. We have some exciting surprise for you. So let's begin. The first insect is spider. The spider has 8 legs and spin a web to catch insects. It's not an insect, technically it's an archaea, but many people include it in the insects group because it's small and crawls like one. This is housefly. The housefly is a common insect found almost everywhere. It buzzes around food and can carry germs, so it's important to keep things clean. This is antlion. The antlion is a tiny insect that digs small pits in the sand to trap ants. It's a clever hunter that hides and waits for its prey. This is cricket. The cricket makes a creeping sound at night by rubbing its wings together. Its sound is often linked with calm summer evenings. Oh, this is cockroach. The cockroach can live in almost any environment. It's known for being fast and hard to get rid of, and it loves dark corners. This is weevil. The weevil is a small beetle with a long snout. It often lives in stored grain, rice or flour, and is considered a pest in homes and farms. This is hornet. The hornet is a large, powerful type of wasp. It has a painful sting and usually builds its nest in trees or buildings. This is caterpillar. The caterpillar is the larva of a butterfly or moth. It claws on leaves and eats plants before turning into a beautiful butterfly. This is leaf insect. Leaf insect looks exactly like a green leaf. This helps it hide from birds and predators. It's a true master of camouflage. This is fruit fly. This is very tiny insect that loves ripe or decaying fruit. Scientists often use fruit flies for experiment because they produce very quickly. So kiddos, these are 10 more amazing insects from around the world. From clever antlion to the leaf insect that hides in the plain sight, the insects world is full of surprises. Which one did you find the most interesting? Tell me in my next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel for more fun learning videos like this. Bye-bye, and wishing you a happy new year and Merry Christmas in advance.